Hi everyone, my name is Thanuri and I'm from Canberra, Australia. And I don't know about you, but I've been feeling pretty flat lately. And when I feel like that, I really like to watch Star Wars because it's really fun and I love it. I mean, clearly. And so I thought that I would show you how to create your own DIY Star Wars blaster. So in the movies, they use really tense metal wires to create that noise, but we can recreate that at home by using a paper cup and a metal slinky. Now, if we think about sound, sound is created through vibrations, and it also moves in a similar way to a slinky because it forms a wave pattern. And so as it moves, it expands and contracts just like a slinky. And what happens is, for us to hear it, it will vibrate the air in front of it, and then the air in front of that, and then the air in front of that, all the way until it reaches our ears. Now, to create your blaster, what you're going to do is take your paper cup and put a hole in the bottom just like this, and then thread one end of the slinky into the bottom just like this. Now, I know it doesn't really look like a blaster, but I want you to listen closely. Whoa! Did you hear that? Now, the reason that we heard that noise is because the action of dropping the slinky from the bottom of the cup created sound energy. And what happened is that sound energy moves up the slinky in a wave pattern all the way into the cup. And our cup is our amplifier because as the energy moves into the cup, it has to vibrate the air inside the cup, which makes it really nice and loud. Now, I've been having a ton of fun with this, and I would love to see what you guys can create in the comments down below. So here's things that I've come up with. Let's see what you can. Obi-Wan Kenobi, you're my only hope.